Where is it? Finally reading the manual. Right. So. In this video, I am looking at this bit. So obviously, you could buy a Bluetti, any Bluetti product, and get their solar panels from the website as well. But I was looking to see if I could experiment a bit on using off-the-shelf solar panels with the Bluetti. They claim it will work. I'm assuming it will work as well. So from the manual, it says each input. The Bluetti has 2 inputs, so you can do something like this where you have 2 separate rows of solar panels that goes into the 2 separate inputs of the Bluetti. And I was just looking at the specs to see, so each individual input supports up to 12 amps. So each input supports 12 amps. Yeah, that makes sense. And charging voltage between 12 and 150 volts. So that makes sense as well. So that means 2 inputs, and they take 12 amps max, and between 12 to 150 volts. So I guess now is, I just want to calculate what the max is. So the max wattage you can pass to the solar panel, that will be, so if you multiply 12 by 150, right. So it's 1,800 watts max. So this is the max. I also saw something down here that was quite interesting. Where was it? The AC 300 plus B 300 can achieve a combined maximum of 2,400 watts. So I'm curious what that 2,400 watts means. Is it, if you add this together, you get 3,600. So I don't know what this means. Can achieve a combined maximum of 2,400 watts of total solar input. So even though each input can take the range of 12 to 150, you can't exceed, so you can't max out each individual input, because that will be 3,600, and they're saying that the max it takes is 2,400. So whatever you do, it's looking like whatever you do, you need to stay within this range, not the theoretical max input of each line. So that is interesting. So I guess next step is to look for some solar panels online, preferably second-hand solar panels. At the moment, solar panel prices are very high. So look for second-hand solar panels online, get them ordered and hook them up. I will try and kind of hit the max of these and see how the Bluetti handles. So here we go. All right, so just to get baseline, I'm looking at some of these prices on the Bluetti website. So we're looking at, for a 200 watt solar panel from Bluetti is 479, which is, yeah, and the 120 watts is 329, and they just jump around very on this price. Oh, look at that, 899. That's 300. Why is this so much? Right, off-grid, foldable, durable, splash-proof, 24.4, widely compatible. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, I guess it's the compatibility you're paying for. Yeah, but it seems wildly expensive. But anyway, yes, so we have that. So this is our baseline. Anything cheaper than, I guess, £300 is, I think, is something we should go for. Right, so I managed to get a solar panel. Wasn't too bad. I checked out this website called Bimble Solar. Obviously, I'm not promoting them whatsoever, but I'm just showing you proof that the solar panel. So I got 12 volts, 140 watts. I got 6 of them, and they cost me a pretty penny. So now I guess I just have to wait. With the magic of video editing, I guess on the next shot we'll probably see the solar panels, and hopefully I'll be able to just tack them onto the Bluetti, and it should work. Plug and play, so they say in the manual. So yeah, so let's see how that goes. Right, so the solar panels has arrived. Unfortunately, I wasn't around when they came, so they came in a huge truck. So we've unpacked them, just had a quick inspection, make sure there were no cracks or anything on the solar panels. They all appear to look okay. And obviously solar panels have the specs on the back, so just have a quick look. Let's just move that. I need more hands. Right, so we're looking at, actually I should take a picture of this and do it on the computer. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 solar panels. I think today is a nice sunny day to actually go ahead and put them out there, and then see how the Bluetti handles the solar panels. I will be connecting all 6 of them in series. Maybe separate them into 2 separate, so 3 on one side, 3 on the other side, like the diagram suggested, and then I'll try and theoretically max out one of the lines and see how the Bluetti handles. I am hoping, because it's an expensive equipment, that it has some kind of protection against it, because I don't want to lose my Bluetti onto the experiment. But I think it's important that you kind of, I think it's important, especially for me, to understand the limitations of the Bluetti. So right, so I put the solar panels in. They're all connected directly to the Bluetti, and so it's 3 on one line, 3 on the other line. So just having a quick look here. So the first inputs of solar panels reaching up to 49 volts, 47 volts, and the total wattage is 191. And the other input, wow, that's 60, and the total wattage is 200. So combining that together, you get this figure of 400 and, come on, stabilize, 422, 400, yeah. And currently I'm doing some work in the garage, trying to charge up some batteries. So my element, you can see how it's simple, plug and play, and you are good to go. So Bluetti was right. A standard MC4 cable